All right, we begin with a live look from our Dakota Magic Casino camera, part of the Storm Team Skycam network. And all in all, conditions here in the Fargo area, there is light snow, but not as heavy as you're seeing on the camera near the South Dakota border. 1 below zero right now. We only have a 5-mile-per-hour wind, and all in all, that too fairly pleasant. At least the wind chills aren't in the 20s below zero. No, we're good. So let's take a look at our temperatures now in the Devil's Lake basins, where the coldest of the air is punching in. It's made its way into Grand Forks right now. 0 in Gwinner. Not a lot of difference in temperature across the region, and we've remained fairly steady. Still above zero for many in northwest Minnesota, with the exception of Thief River Falls. Here's the wind chills. Those are most pronounced up in the northern portion of North Dakota. Otherwise, we have wind chills that are a little less impactful because of the lack of wind. Clear skies. This is that cold air mass sagging its way southward. Most of the snow really hugging I-94 and points south, but the heaviest bands have now dipped south of the South Dakota border. So as far as any significant accumulations, I'm not too concerned there. It will still put a slippery layer on the road surfaces south of Sisseton, not far from Ellendale. And as we take a look, basically the heaviest is south of the border, but near the Fargo area. South of Fargo, a little band of bigger snowflakes, and that's also spreading in towards the Ulen area as we head into our night's sleep. Hour-by-hour forecast shows the snow continues to progress to the south and east and should be out of here by around 1 to 2 in the morning. Temperatures then will be coldest from the north and west, and that air will continue to slide its way eastward as we go towards morning. All of us below zero, 5 to 15 below. Wind chills, thanks to the wind that won't be overly strong, but 5 to 15 mile per hour winds will create 20 to 30 below wind chills for most areas. So that's how we start our Wednesday. Unwarm for sure, but it looks very sunny for most. Could be a little breezy where you see Hutch's arrows on here. West breeze at 5 to 15 miles per hour, most pronounced in our western counties. Heading into the afternoon, we're on our way up not to an unbalmy high in the single digits for most locations to near 10 for a few, and then by the evening hours there will be a chance of a hiccup making its way into the forecast area up north, so a few flakes on top of your snow banks will continue to be deposited for tomorrow. As far as tonight's snow, it does look like most locations will receive a trace to a few tenths of an inch additional snow, mainly in the far southern counties. All of us will have cold, so a wind chill advisory for most of our viewing area. The coldest wind chills will be hitting northwest North Dakota. Starting out at the morning bus stop, 6 below zero, wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour out of the west. We will see sunshine, and temperatures all in all will feel pretty nice on a quiet midweek day. Temperatures mostly in the single digits for your afternoon drive home. And again, more clouds up near Lake of the Woods, with a slight chance of a late evening flurry, and the deer even running around trying to find a little bit of a snack. This is a doe on the go in the snow in the Cormorant area. Thanks so much for uploading your photo, Rick. Here is a look at our 7-day forecast. We warm a little more, measured warmth on Thursday, 18 degrees. Now, as we go into Friday, another cold chunk of air will come down, and that's going to cause some snowflakes. We'll have some measurable snow potential on our Friday. Then we go from 10 above to nearly 20 below, and it comes with plenty of wind. It looks like a pretty brutal and cold weekend ahead, both Saturday and Sunday. And then Monday, another chance of snow as we try to warm it back up into the 5 to 10 degree range for most areas.
Well, get through the weekend and then, you know, hopefully something better after that.
Meteorological spring starts March 1st, but that must be for the other 49 states.
Yeah, it must be. Thanks, Ed.
Yeah.